exercise 6.5. Exercise 6.5, question number 13. Okay, D and E are points on the sides CA and CB respectively of a triangle ABC, right angled at C. Prove that we have to prove what AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. So to prove this, first let us take the biggest triangle. What is the biggest triangle? In triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, opposite to C is AB. So AB square is equal to AC square plus CB square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now you take the smallest triangle. In triangle DCE, the smallest triangle. Okay, DCE, angle C is equal to 90 degree. So opposite to C is DE. So DE square is equal to DC square plus CE square. This also by using Pythagoras theorem. Now keep this as equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Since they are asking you to add AB square and DE square, so you add this 1 and 2. When you add 1 and 2, what you will get? AB square plus DE square is equal to AC square plus EB square. Similarly, add the right hand side, DC square plus CE square. We need AE square. So you should combine this AC and CE. Here also C, here also C common. So AC plus CE, you will be getting AE square by using Pythagoras theorem. Or else common variable, you check the common variable, C and C will get cancelled. What is uncommon? A and E. So you will be grouping this AC square plus CE square. Then you group these two, CB square plus DC square. So now write this left hand side as it is. AB square plus DE square is equal to the C and C EAE square. Here C and C BD square. That's what we have to prove. So we got the proof. So first you have to take the biggest triangle, then smallest triangle, use Pythagoras theorem, add both, then group this AC, CE, CB and DC. You will be getting the proof easily. Now moving on to the next part, question number 14. There is a triangle A, B. Question number 14, 15, 13, 14, 15 and 16 are very important. They will ask you in 3 marker. So now here in this problem we have to prove actually perpendicular from A on the side BC of a triangle intersects BC at D, and one more thing is given, DB equal to 3 times of CD. If they have given this, you have to prove 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. So for this problem you have to do one calculation. First you take this DB equal to 3 times of CD. Okay, now add CD on both sides. Okay, add CD on both sides. When we add CD, what will happen? DB plus CD is equal to 3 times of CD plus 1 CD. So what is DB plus CD? DB plus CD will give you whole length BC. Here also D, here also D, so whole length BC. 3 CD plus 1 CD, 4 CD. From this you find out CD, you bring this 4 to the other side, what will happen? 1 by 4 times of BC, multiplication goes to division, is equal to CD. So we got the value of CD as 1 by 4 times of BC. Now in triangle ADB, so you take this triangle ADB. In triangle ADB, angle, let me see the diagram in the book. In triangle ADB, angle D is equal to 90 degree. So if D is equal to 90 degree, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square. DB square. What is DB square? Actually, let me draw the triangle here. A, B, C, D. So how can you write this dB? From the whole length BC, if you subtract this DC, from the whole length BC, if you subtract this DC, you will be getting this part BD. So this can be written as AB square is equal to AD square plus DB can be written as BC minus CD. BC minus CD the whole square. BC minus CD the whole square. Now A minus B whole square formula you have to apply. So AB square is equal to AD square plus, what is A minus B whole square formula? A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B. Here instead of A, what is present? BC. So BC square. Then B square, what is B value? CD. CD square minus 2 into, what is A value? BC into, what is B value? CD. A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B. Okay. Now here AB square is equal to AD square plus BC square plus CD square. What is CD value? CD value we got 1 by 4 times of BC. CD value we got 1 by 4 times of BC. So 1 by 4 times of BC. Okay, let me do this step once again. AB square is equal to AD square plus you group this CD square. You write this BC square, then minus 2 into BC into, what is CD? CD you apply as 1 by 4 times of BC. Okay. What is AD plus CD? AD plus CD is nothing but AC. AC square plus BC square minus, here this 2 1 times, this is 2 times. BC into BC is BC square by 2. Here we have 2, so write 2. Now multiply by 2 everywhere. So 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus 2BC square. When we multiply by 2 here, that 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So you will be getting 1BC square. So 2BC square minus 1BC square is nothing but 1BC square. 2AC square plus 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1BC square. This is what we have to prove. Okay. Now question number 15. This is also a very important problem. In an equilateral triangle, so in an equilateral triangle ABC, let us take equilateral triangle ABC. So suppose let this be A. So let AB equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to A. Now D is a point on the side BC such that BD equal to, given BD equal to 1 by 3 times of BC. What we have assumed to be CA. 1 by 3 into A is nothing but A by 3. We got BD value as A by 3. Now what I am going to do, I am going to draw one altitude. So now this will be the perpendicular bisector. So if this is totally A, then this length will be A by 2 and this length will be A by 2. So BP is equal to A by 2 since it is a perpendicular bisector. Now there is one more point D, and they have given this BD value is A by 3. BD value is A by 3. So now how will you find DP? So from the total length BP, from the total, if you want to find DP, from this total, you should subtract this BD. You should subtract this BD. Actually, this is BP. Okay, and there is a point D. This is A by 3 and this totally A by 2. If you want this, from the total length you should subtract this so that you will be getting the value of DP. So what is BP value? A by 2. What is BD value? A by 3. Cross multiply 3 into A, 3A. 2 into A, 2A. By 3 2s are 6. 3A minus 2A is 1A by 6. So you got the value of DP as A by 6. Now we got a right angled triangle. And do you know the formula for altitude of an equilateral triangle? What is altitude of an equilateral triangle formula? Altitude of an equilateral triangle formula is root 3 by 2 times of the side. What is the side here? We have assumed A. So here altitude is nothing but AP. AP is the altitude. So AP is equal to root 3 by 2 into A. So now let us apply Pythagoras theorem for this triangle ADP. So in triangle ADP, AD square is equal to AP square plus DP square. So in triangle ADP, angle P is 90 degree. So what is Pythagoras theorem? AD square is equal to AP square plus DP square. So AD square is equal to, what is AP? What is AP? Root 3 by 2 A the whole square. And what is DP? DP now only you found A by 6. A by 6 the whole square. So root 3 when you square 3, 2 when you square 4, A when you square A square, plus here also A when you square A square, 6 when you square 36. So if we need 36 here, you should multiply by 9 on both sides. 9 3s are 27 A square plus 1 A square whole divided by 36. So AD square is equal to 28 A square by 36. Let us cancel in fourth table. This is 7 and this is 9. 9 you multiply this side. 9 AD square is equal to 7. Instead of this A square, you can write it as AB square, since side A represents AB, because all the side is equal to A. So A can be written as AB square. This is what we have to prove. Sometimes they may ask you to prove as BC square. That also A square only. And CA square, that also A square only. This is very important sum. Instead of theorem, they will ask you. In all the board exam question paper, you can find this question. 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. Now moving on to the next question, 16. Only two more problems. 16, in an equilateral triangle. So there is an equilateral triangle ABC. Prove that 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. So let us draw one altitude. What they are asking you to prove? 3 times the square of one side. So let us take the side as AB. So 3 times AB square is equal to 4 times square of one of its altitude. What is altitude? AD. Square it. So 3AB square is equal to 4AD square. That is what we have to prove. So now we can, what is to prove? Proof. So let us take the triangle ADB. In triangle ADB, angle D is equal to 90 degree. So AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square. Now actually we need AD square, isn't it? So let us keep AD square this side. AB square, you transpose this minus DB square is equal to AD square. How can you write this DB or BD? You can write this as half of this BC. This is the altitude, no? So it is half. This half and this half are equal. So AB square minus half of BC. DB can be written as half of BC. BC the whole square is equal to AD square. So AB square minus 1 by 4 times of BC square is equal to AD square. Now multiply by 4AB square minus 1 BC square. If we multiply by here, multiply by 4 here, 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So 1 BC square is equal to, here you, when you multiply by 4, you will be getting 4AD square. Now this BC can be written as what? AB, isn't it? Since equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. So 4AB square minus 1AB square is equal to 4AD square. What is 4 minus 1? 3. So 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. We have proved. That's all. Now 17th one. So here in triangle ABC, AB equal to 6 root 3, AC is equal to 12 and BC is equal to 6. So by using converse of Pythagoras theorem, we have to check whether highest side, which is the highest side, AC. So AC when you square 12 square is 144. You have to check whether the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of opposite sides. Then the angle opposite to the first side will be equal to 90 degree. So you check this AB square plus BC square. Other two sides you square it. 6 root 3 the whole square plus 6 the whole square. 6 6 are 36. 36 into root 3 is 3. 18. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. 108 plus 36. So you will be getting 144. Here also 144, here also 144. If these both are equal, then the angle opposite to the first side, opposite to AC is B. So angle B is 90 degree. Which option? Option C is correct. Option C is correct. That's all. Chapter over.